How long should you rest after embryo transfer? IVF success tips every woman must know. Welcome to Putru's Mimi, where you share the space of motherhood, fertility, and beyond. Let's start today's video. Today's question is one of the one of that every woman going through IVF has asked at least once. How long should I rest after embryo transfer? It is strict bed rest necessary, or can you go back to your routine? It's a very important. Let's break this down with a scientific insight, expert advice, and emotional support, because every IVF journey is special, just like you. Okay, first, understanding embryo transfer. What is embryo transfer? Embryo transfer is the final and the most delicate stage of your IVF treatment. At this stage, the fertilization egg, your embryo, is placed gently inside your uterus by your fertility specialist, right? The goal, that is implant itself into your uterine lining and begin to grow, which means pregnancy has begun. But implantation does happen instantly. It can take a few days, up to 7 to 10 days, right? That's why your body needs the right environment, calm, relaxed, and ready to receive new life. Okay, should you take bed rest after embryo transfer? Look, hear the truth. There is no one size fit all rules when it comes to resting after embryo transfer. In the early days of IVFs, doctor used to recommend strict bed rest for 2 weeks at least. But now modern research shows that prolonged bed rest is not always necessarily, and in some cases it can even count dangerous. So what do fertility expert recommended you now? Rest for at least 24 to 48 hours is enough after the embryo transfer. Take completely bed rest for the first day only. Stay lying down for at least 30 to 60 minutes immediately after the procedure. Your clinic will guide you in this. Then you go home and rest. This doesn't mean lying in bed for 2 weeks. It's mean gentle movement, no stress, no pressure, both physically and emotionally as well. Okay, the big question, what does rest really mean in IVF? Let's understand what kind of rest is helpful. First, avoid intense workout or gym routine, long travel, household chores like heavy lifting, buckets lifting, or bending. Stressful office work, it's not okay. Long hours on your feet. Instant focus on lying down or reclining with your feet slightly elevate. Short slow walk around the house or house to boost blood flow actually. Gentle breathing exercise or pregnancy safe meditation is good. Reading books, watching calm and constant or content, or listening soft music, journaling, or talking to your baby. Garv sambad, start it now. So it's not about being in bed 24 into 7. It's about giving your body to space to welcome life. Okay, how long should you take off from work? Nowadays a lot of women are working, and this is very common question. Look, if your job involves sitting in a one place, low stress and no physical strain, you may resume it in 3 to 5 days. However, if your job is demanding mentally or physically, it's best to take at least 7 to 10 days off. It's good. Ideal rest timing after embryo transfer, if I'll say, minimum 48 hours of calm rest, right? 3 to 5 of home rest with minimal activities. If possible, 1 full week of relaxing at home, it's good. Again, it's depend on your health, your embryo quality, your age, and what your doctor recommended. Always follow your personal medical advice first. It's a very important. What to avoid after embryo transfer? No sexual intercourse, it can cause uterine contraction. No heavy lifting or exercise. Avoid alcohol and tobacco completely. Don't take hot baths and the sauna. Body heat can harm implantation. Don't stress mentally, emotionally, and physically. And please do not Google every system. it's not good कि जो system like symptoms you are getting is going to be give you the good news. When should you call the doctor? While mild cramps or spotting can be a sign of implantation, call your doctor immediately if you are experiencing. Okay, heavy bleeding, several abdominal pain, high fever, dizziness, or shortness of breath. Don't ignore your gut's feeling. It's always better to ask than to assume. Okay, what really helps implantation? Here a secret list of things that help the embryo settle and stick. Positive mindset, very important. Calm breathing, balanced diet, staying hydrated, listening to mantras and spiritual chants, speaking to your baby in the womb. Start bonding now, reading happy, inspiring stories, and above all, believing in your body. Trust the process. Your womb is very, very powerful. Putrus Mimi, always with you. So, how long you should rest after embryo transfer? The answer is rest for a few days, gently, peaceful, not just physically but emotionally too. No rush, no pressure, just calm and care and connection. Whether it's your first IVF or the third, you are brave, you are enough, and you are never alone. Here sending you the law, all the love and the baby dust from Putrus Mimi. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe, because motherhood start with hope. Bye bye, take care.